they hot or not?
Hey, hello, welcome to another Hot or Not. I'm Ziziel and today I'm going to try something different. Something that drew my attention lately in a local store. As you see, it is a soup in a can. It's from Germany and it's a vegetable soup with chicken and it's hot spiced. That's what it says on the can. Okay, let's see the ingredients. And it has a Polish label here, and it says it has vegetables 38%, like potatoes, cauliflower, green peas, tomatoes, onion, tomato concentrate, water, yogurt, chicken meat 7.5%, sour cream, curry paste, chili, lemongrass, garlic, shallots, salt, kaffir lime, galanga. It's a root like ginger, but it's more peppery and bitter. Coriander, Roman cumin, sunflower oil, animal fat, modified starch, wheat flour, coconut pulp extract, maltodextrin, milk protein, salt, emulsifier, diglycerides of fat acids, guar gum, degreased milk powder, dextrose, seasonings, celery, charlock, sugar, chicken, egg white, glucose syrup, spirit vinegar, may contain soy. Interesting. Okay, that's the ingredients. Let's open the can and see what it looks like. Okay, opening the can. It's not easy sometimes, but it looks like a whoa. I can feel the smell. It smells nice actually. Looks like a carrot soup. Okay, let's pour it into my bowl. It's more like a cream soup. Wow. Okay, that's how it looks like. Take the bowl and smell it. Smells really nice, I would say. Okay, and it's time to taste it, but I need to heat it in a microwave. 4 minutes in the microwave. Okay, 4 minutes. I hope it's good, and I hope it's spicy. Maybe it's hot, maybe not. Go around, around, around in the microwave. Okay, the soup is ready. As you can see, you can finally taste it. I see there's a lot in it. Vegetables, chicken. Okay, let's have a taste finally, if it's hot or not. If it's not hot, then maybe I will spice it up a little bit. Okay, let's not waste my time. Oh, let's have a 1 spoon with chicken. Okay, hot or not? It's tasty. It's spicy. It's spicy, but it's standable spice. It's good. I believe if you are hungry, you would eat it. Yeah, it is kind of like spicy. What can I say more? Let me take a third spoon. Hmm. I would say a regular soup from a can. It's spicy but not hot. It's not hot. It's spicy. But I have my friend and I will make it spicy. I mean hot. Sorry, hot. I believe that this will do with my habanero sauce. And try it now. Or maybe I'll add more. I can take it. Okay. Let's try it now. Mix it nicely. Okay. Let's try it now. It should be spicy now. I mean hot. Oh yeah. Now it's hot. Well, this is my dinner for today. And I have to eat it now that I made it. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Hello and greetings. Now it's really hot. This is a really hot soup now with my habanero sauce. Bon appetit.